Welcome to our journey into the heart of innovation and agriculture along the picturesque Detroit River, right here in beautiful Windsor, Ontario. ADM Agri Industries Limited, founded in 1902 and headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, are one of the world's largest agricultural processors and food ingredient providers, with more than 33,000 employees serving customers in more than 140 countries. In Canada, ADM sources, stores, transports, and processes crops such as wheat, cocoa, and oil seeds at a total of 42 facilities, manned by more than 1,000 employees. These operations include wheat mills and bakery mix plants, oil seeds crushing plants and refineries, cocoa processing facilities, grain elevators, and plants that blend fertilizer and manufacture animal feed and feed ingredients. ADM has long-standing history in Windsor, Ontario, dating back to its establishment in 1985. Located steps away from the serene waters of the Detroit River, adjacent the Windsor salt mine, they have created a harmonious balance between nature and industry. The company has been a key employer for around 150 employees, with an estimated revenue of over $100 million annually. The Windsor plant crushes soybeans and canola for use in various food ingredients and animal feeds. The plant is served by 2 grain elevators and 2 procurement offices, and a Montreal sales office helps market its products. With state-of-the-art greenhouses spanning acres upon acres, ADMA utilizes advanced hydroponic systems designed not only to maximize crop yield, but also reduce water usage by upwards of 85%. This means fresher produce year-round without straining precious natural resources. A big player in the agricultural sector, ADM contributes significantly to the local economy and beyond. Through its innovative practices and commitment to sustainability, ADM has become a leader in the industry. From recycled nutrient solutions used during cultivation processes to solar panels powering parts of their facilities, sustainability is more than mere lip service. It's ingrained throughout every facet of the operation at ADM. They strive towards minimizing environmental impact, even when scaling production levels higher each season. Imagine standing amidst rows upon rows of lush greenery under skylights, illuminating vibrantly colored fruits and vegetables, all grown indoors using science rather than soil alone. That's precisely where ADM continues pushing boundaries towards greater efficiency coupled with unparalleled quality control measures, ensuring top-tier products reach consumers across North America time after time again. All happening right here, fronting the historic Detroit River, a close neighbor to the Gordie Howe Bridge. ADM Agri Industries Limited, based proudly in sunny yet industrious Windsor, Canada. I hope you enjoyed ADM, another great neighbor to the Gordie Howe Bridge. Stay tuned. There will be more insights on neighbors coming soon. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.